Introducing the PiMod Zero, the world's first Raspberry Pi television video modulator. For the first time ever, it's easy to display video from your Raspberry Pi on a vintage television. The PiMod Zero takes the composite video and stereo audio signals from a Raspberry Pi Zero and modulates them into an RF television signal. This lets you use your vintage television not only as a display, but also as a mono speaker. The signal even includes color information, allowing you to use the PiMod Zero with a color television. Order yours today!